Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to SirVick TV, your home of infotainment. Let's go! We're the storytellers, we lessons as our pen, unveiling real life tales again and again. Through laughter and tears, we share our journey, vlogly found forever bound in unity. Hello guys! Hello guys, welcome to SirVick TV, your home of infotainment. How is your weekend going? How is your Sunday going, man? I'm so excited, bro. I'm just chilling. Yeah, just chilling in my room. Nothing much going on. It's a Sunday, boring Sunday basically. But I can't be bored with music, man. So I'm just listening to music, vibing to music, man. And then I'm like, there's something that I bought a few days ago. I feel like I should sample it. I feel like I should do some testing and all. But I'm unable to do that. So I decided, okay, rather I've been unable to do that for quite a while. So a friend traveled from Abuja like 2 weeks ago. So I asked the friend, when coming back, get me something. So I made the payment and the friend got me what I wanted. But I've really not had the guts to try it because, man, this stuff is spicy. Looks spicy, man. So what am I talking about? Let's check it out, bruh. Yo, we're talking of what are we talking about? I don't have a director. My camera is quite far, so I can't zoom that far and just show you from here. So basically, guys, what I have here is Kilishi. So someone will be wondering, what is Kilishi? So Kilishi is actually a very popular delicacy that comes from the northern side of Nigeria. I don't know whether the other parts have it, but what I've heard is that it's very popular in northern Nigeria, and of course it's a form of spiced meat. So basically this meat, very lean meat, very lean meat, but it's very spicy. As I said, I don't know whether I can be able to zoom. Yeah, my camera is quite far. Yeah, there's no one to do the directing for me, man. So, and I'm so tall, so when I stand up I'll be fast where the camera is. Yeah, so really this stuff looks a lot very spicy. This stuff looks very spicy. So when it's being prepared, basically a lot of spices are used: chili pepper, ginger, garlic, salt, and a lot of seasonings are normally utilized in its preparation. That is what I've been told. I don't prepare it myself. I don't know how it's prepared, but basically that's it. When it comes to flavors, I'm told it's very spicy. I don't know whether I'm gonna take it, but I might try, guys. I'm gonna try, man. I'm told it's very spicy, so we're going to try it. I just want us to be listening to some bit of music on background. So I'm gonna try it, and then when it comes to what can we eat it with, I don't want to try it with anything. I'm told there are a number of things that you can eat it with, but I don't want to try it with anything. I just want to do it. Just want to snack on it as is. Snack on it as is. Man, the music is distracting me. I wanna have it as is, like the way it is, just so that I test to know how is it. I mean, I want to enjoy it on its own and give you feedback, man. Is it good? How is it like? What is it like? Of course, since I can't zoom from that far, my camera is quite far. It's at a static place. Maybe I'll take some photos and attach, at the end of this video, so that we see up close how is it looking like. I get to do a zoom and all. So basically, I don't know much about this, so I am not really gonna act like an expert here and then be telling you, this is how it's prepared, this is how the spices are mixed up, this is how, these are the snacks you need to accompany it with. I don't know much about that. That's why I said I'm taking it on its own. Does it have nutritional value? I'm not really sure. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not very sure whether it has nutritional value, but I guess it does. Because ideally, any meat any meat has proteins in it. So obviously, since there's some very good lean meat, definitely we are bound to get some proteins. A lot of spices have been used in there, salt and everything. So obviously, things to do with maybe ions, a lot of sodium is in there, definitely from the seasoning or from the salt. There is some benefit that there is actually some dietary benefit or nutritional value that you're bound to get from this particular product. Oh, where can you find Kilishi? I know you're asking yourself that. So how available is it? Where can I get this? Okay, normally a place like Abuja, these things are sold in the street. I mean, you can easily access them on the street. So I don't know about other places really. They say it's a northern delicacy. So basically it's obviously found in the north. So whichever place around the northern side, you know, the Sokotos, the Abujas, the Kanos of this country of Nigeria, the northern side, definitely you're bound to get them. So I believe it's easy. We're gonna easily access them from that side, you know. But basically, I think that's all I know. That's all. And I'm trying to. Music is distracting me. I'm trying to reduce the volume and all. Man, it's a Sunday. It's boring, man. So music has to we just have to jump to the beat, jump to the beat, jump to the beat, jump to the beat. Yeah, at least to get, you know, relax a bit. So really, I think that's it. That's the main question that you will definitely be asking yourself. How available is it? The northern side of Nigeria, you'll definitely get plagued with this kind of delicacy, guys. Yeah, man. And of course, I don't know. Where do we have, like, which occasions can we have these enjoyed? I guess you can enjoy it at any time. You don't have to wait for a specific occasion, really. Maybe some wait for festivals to enjoy such, but I guess since it's a snack, it's something that you can, you know, jump on at any particular time. Jump on it any particular time, guys, and get to enjoy. So maybe it's time to dig in. This is a very short video. It's time to dig in. Let's get to sample, man. I got my drink on my cup, man. In case the spices are man, pray for me. Let me try it. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Not bad, not bad. So worth the try. Yeah, man. It's worth the try. So I got one here. Just text me where you are. I can get to send this to you. Anyway, guys, we're just testing these Nigerian dishes, Nigerian cuisine, and all these traditional dishes and everything. I mean, we just want to blend into the Nigerian culture. We just want to know what these people are doing. I mean, we're Africans, man, and Africa is our business, so we gotta know what happens in Africa. From the south of Limpopo till up there, the Red Sea in Egypt. So we really gonna know a lot about this continent. We are bound to know a lot about this continent. So, guys, man, should we take a second bite before we close this video? Really? Okay. Let's go. Man, this is delicious. This is delicious, man. Super delicious. But I'm gonna enjoy the rest off camera, man. But the spices, hey, I'm really feeling them, guys. But you know, I can't show that, man. When it comes to pepe, or pepper, for my Kenyan people, we say pepper. For the Nigerians, it's pepe. And Ghanaians, it's pepe. So, man, the pepe in here, it's not a joke, guys. It's not a joke. But then, the dishes, and then of course it's preserved. So, you see, I've had it for over 2 weeks. Man, I'm now feeling the pepe. So, I've had this for over 2 weeks. It wasn't prepared 2 weeks ago. Probably it was prepared way earlier, but it's preserved. There's a way it has been prepared. It's mocked and everything. So, it's something that is gonna last for so long. So, you can have as much as you can and then just store it. It doesn't even have to be stored in a fridge or anything. Just a normal cold, dry place, and you're good to go. So, guys, if you get a chance, enjoy your Kilishi this Sunday. Otherwise, Vlogly episode 16 or Vlogly day 16 is out. We say peace out, bella ciao, bye bye, kwaheri. See you in the next video. Vlogly day 17 tomorrow.